Hey guys, in this video, we'll be learning how to use the auxiliary drawing features in free modeling. Let's get started. First thing we do is click into the free modeling function. So every time before we draw, we can use the auxiliary. So just click on the add auxiliary. So this is actually a guideline. Alright, so for example, I want this to be 2000 distance. I can just type in 2000 and press enter. Right, and then one more, maybe 1500. Right, so from the top to the bottom, maybe I put 600. And for this, another one, 1100. Right, so now we have the guideline, so it's easier for us to draw the shape. Right, so I can just stretch this surface out. Right, so once you're done drawing, you can actually clear the auxiliary. And there you have it. So this is how to use the auxiliary drawing features in free modeling. Good luck trying, guys.